This is how to insert data in MongoDB Compass. Open your Compass and choose your connection. Select your database. I will select sample underscore mflix and I'll go to my collection movies and click this add data. You can import JSON file or you can insert a document manually. I'll insert a document manually. I'll just paste my document here, for instance, and I'll click insert. So now I will perform a query. Okay, so ID of the object ID. I'll paste my ID here and I'll just hit enter. Okay, so I have added a document or for instance the data manually, and if you want it to be easier you can import your own JSON file. So this is how you will insert data on MongoDB Compass.